On March 6, 1988, 3 unarmed Irish citizens were shot dead at close range by undercover operatives of the notorious British SAS as they walked along a public street on the island of Gibraltar. This summary execution of 3 IRA volunteers spawned a series of tragic incidents, the reverberations of which continued long after the event. The 3 volunteers, Mairead Farrell, Daniel McCann, and Sean Savage, were unarmed and had been under surveillance for some time by both the British Secret Services and Spanish. It is clear from all the evidence that they were lulled into a carefully laid trap with the aim of killing them. The killings on Gibraltar were immediately followed by a massive cover-up, with lies from the British Ministry of Defense falsely stating that a suspected bomb had been found in Gibraltar. The SAS claimed that all 3 reached for hidden detonators when challenged to surrender, and that only minimum force had been used. However, the wounds received by the 3 spoke for themselves. Mairead Farrell was shot 5 times, twice in the head, 3 times in the body. The bullets to the head were fired into her face and exited under her left ear and at the back of her neck. The 3 bullets that were fired into the middle of her back exited in the region of her left breast. Her heart and liver were pulped, her spinal column fractured, and her chest cavity was awash with 2 liters of blood. Daniel McCann was shot 4 times, twice in the head and twice in the back. The 2 shots to his back caused damage to his liver, heart, and left lung. The 2 shots to his head caused multiple fractures, laceration of the left cerebral hemisphere, and extensive brain damage. Sean Savage was shot at least 16 times. He suffered 29 separate injuries. His arm was broken and he had various wounds on his torso. 5 bullets entered his back and his lung was severely damaged. 4 bullets entered his head and he had multiple damage to the brain and skull.
They flew out of Belfast with an ambitious plan to continue the struggle to free Ireland. Mairead Farrell, Sean Savage, and Daniel McCann, and they died on the streets of Gibraltar. Hidden eyes had been watching, they followed each one. They knew they were darned, that none had a gun. We'll give them a warning and no chance to run, for all 3 must die on Gibraltar. And sadly homes in Belfast now, all Ireland shares their sorrow as they walk in the sun, did embrace through their gun. Their blood in the streets of Gibraltar. The SAS stood there so proud of their deed. 3 more freedom fighters lay dead in the street, as the 8 lost or martyrs in ambush did meet. But our 3 far away in Gibraltar, and sad our 3 homes in Belfast now. All Ireland shares their sorrow as they walked in the sun, hid in prayer. their blood stained the streets of Gibraltar. Arrayed while in prison, we watched you with pride. True to all you believed in, and for this you've died. With two fine volunteers, Dan and Sean at your side. A part of us died in Gibraltar, and our three homes in Belfast now. All Ireland shares their sorrow as they walk in the sun. It embraced through their guns. Their blood stained the streets of Gibraltar. It happens each time that a volunteer dies. They scream off the truth with a call for our flight. But we know what happens along with the night. They plan three deaths on Gibraltar, and sour homes in Belfast now. All Ireland shares their sorrow as they walk in the sun. It embraced through their guns, and their blood stained the streets of Gibraltar, and their blood stained the streets of Gibraltar.